Now with Dr. Darien, who is in today for Dr. Jen, talking about the FDA and its approval of the first medication to treat severe frostbite. Tell us
First
about it.
medication ever for something like this. So frostbite is when, unfortunately, you're exposed to the cold. We all know what it is. It can affect your ears, your nose, your fingers, and your toes. So what this medication does is it's a vasodilator. So it opens up those blood vessels and allows the opportunity for you to stop frostbite in its tracks. In these studies, it was found that those with the severest forms of frostbite were able to be benefiting from it. And that is saving people from permanent injury. So it's an incredible, incredible breakthrough in science.
How soon will we see it out there?
You know, that's the question. Where FDA has approved it, so we'll have yet to see some time before we can see it in the hospital. But I think it's important to know that this exists because, as I said, Eva, before this, there was nothing. Unfortunately, you just had to talk to patients about waiting for time to show us what was the answer to their frostbite. But it's a reminder that as it's cold outside, wear appropriate clothes and protect yourself from the weather.
I'm just curious, how long does it take for frostbite to set in?
It depends on the environment that you're in. And so if you're in the Arctic, obviously very quickly. But even in New York, as an emergency physician here, I've seen patients who suffered from it who've just walked from the Lower East Side all the way up to the East 30s. That's a couple of blocks wearing inappropriate shoes and suffer the consequences of frostbite. So it's about wearing layers and getting out of the cold as soon as possible. And numbness is that first symptom, and it can be distracting because you don't feel it. So you just have to pay attention to your body.
The numbness. So you know instantly that something is wrong when you start to feel numb.
When you start tripping over your feet, when you can't text on your phone, that's when you got to get inside.
All right, that's the best advice. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Appreciate it.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.